Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to turn off talkback on the Samsung Galaxy A07. Now, if you have turned on talkback on your Samsung phone,
On tap to activate. On tap, hold too long, press action.
and if you want to turn off talkback on your Samsung phone, first of all, tap on the settings icon, then double tap to open. From here, just scroll down with two fingers. Now just tap on accessibility and double tap to enter accessibility. Now just tap on talkback, then double tap on talkback to enter. From here, just disable this toggle. For that, just tap on the toggle to select it and double tap to turn it off. Now just select turn off and double tap to turn off talkback on your Samsung phone. Just like that. And this is how you can turn off talkback on the Samsung Galaxy A07. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.